Welcome. My name is Raj Kapur. How many individuals and organizations do you know who want to produce more, want better outcomes, want to provide more and contribute more? They want to be successful and want to achieve their dreams and goals, but don't do anything about it. Many try really hard, but keep on doing what just doesn't work. Are you one of the 5% who will take action to lead the change and move to a higher level? For over 25 years, I have studied, collected, distilled, and created my own system to teach the best ideas I learned from the top achievement masters, coaches, books, and other life-changing resources. Using the best techniques and processes to train, coach, and mentor individuals and organizations has given me the insight to help you achieve your goals and dreams with my proven systems. Find out what is truly possible for you and your organization. I offer you coaching, workshops, seminars, keynote speaking, and mastermind sessions, supporting your personal and professional growth through study and practical application of proven leadership methods. Using the tools like DISC, Leadership Game, and reports on sales and sales leadership impact, communication impact, growth impact, and team impact, I can evaluate your current situation, your current team, and take them to a new level of understanding and productivity. Working together, I will move you in the desired direction to reach your goals. You need results. I can reveal and create the pathway for you to achieve goals with stepping stones and measurable, quantifiable results. Take action now. Call me or email me for further details to find out how I can help you and your organization. There's nothing to lose, but you can gain valuable insight from my years of experience and proven results. For any of the programs or trainings, I will do a free lunch and learn with your team so you can see the effectiveness and power of the programs. Together, we can make a difference to your success.